Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So my dad's truck started missing last week, and then it popped up with a service engine soon light, 216,000 miles. It's the cylinder 1 Misfire. So to link, press it. Let's see what we get. P0301 cylinder 1 Misfire detected. So I looked it up. It's most likely the Hitachi coil here. So this one's made in Japan. Looks pretty good. So cylinder 1 coil, it's the hardest one to get to, but I got the whole assembly made in Japan. I'm gonna have to use this angle one. See if I can fit this little miniature tiny 10mm Craftsman. It's right in there, right on the angle. Look at that, man, that is perfect shot. So that looks like the right one for that, for cylinder 1. Super easy. Let's see if I could break it loose. Oh, easy, man. Golly, way easier than I thought. I've been putting this off for so long. Little 10mm. Let's get my finger in there. There. Alright. I got the little bolt. I'm gonna set it up here. A little tray. And this is my first time doing this, so let's see how easy it pops out. Pull it out. I'm sweating so bad. It is hot outside. Okay, I pretty much got it out. There we go. So I pull it straight up with the needle nose. Look at this. Came straight up. See? Straight up. So you turn it to the left. You turn it to the left. Pull it straight up. And actually it came apart too, so there we go. Here's the old one. There it is. Here's the old one. Cylinder 1 Misfire. Spring. So I could drop the new coil straight in this way. Let's see here. Not quite. I'm almost there. Almost there. Come on, baby. Yep, got it. So it does work. Connector, screw to the right, connector to the left. I did get it that time. So new approach. It does slide right in between. Now I'm going to spin it around. So I got it that time, because taking it apart, forget it. You'll never get it back together. So I'm going to go ahead and snap the connector back. Let's see. Can't get frustrated doing this, man. It's just not worth getting frustrated. Sometimes you just got to take a break and think about it. Boom, got it. Okay. At the end of the needle nose, just to make sure it's tight now. Yep, feels good. Fits right in there. There's the screw right there. Good and tight, and there we go. Gotta have plenty of flashlights and short tools, and you're gonna have to have some good needle nose. Yeah, so let's see if we got it. Here's the old one. There we go. That should be it. Here we go. First test. Let's see if it runs. Whew. A little sweaty. Here we go. First start. Let's see if the engine blows up. It's not missing anymore. 216,000 miles. I think I will have to reset the service engine light though. Let's see. The engine was stuttering really bad, and the idle was going up to 1500 and back down to 1000. Let me go ahead and reset the it. Erase the trouble. Okay, it's gone. Back to normal. So I erased the code. Yeah. Looks like we're idling good right now. Let's give it a minute here. And if we're good, I'll end the video. Good old truck. Now I just need to fix the switches here. So yeah, there we go. Good as new. Another satisfied customer. Thanks to Desert Dude Technical Service. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.